I want to show you all the safety gear we have in SUGI. First off, in the back here we have the utility bin. This has got the safety gear in it. It's got more gear for the rig itself. So we've got like an extension cord, bungee cables, fix a flat can. We got jumper cables. Okay, that's all in there. Now toward the front, we also have a fire extinguisher. I'll show you where that's at. Come around here. Okay, the front driver's side, got a fire extinguisher here. Grab this. Okay, right there, pop that off, whatever you need to do for fire. Other things we have in the top bin, there are first aid kits. So have you come around the front. In here, pantry, first aid kit. We have 2 first aid kits. One here, one here. Okay. We also have the car manual. It was in the front, right by the fire extinguisher. And then anything else that we have would be safety type stuff would be here. Just extra gear. We have off spray. We've got flashlights. We've got. We also have in here another toolkit with a lot of other gear, flashlights, rope, hatchet, hammer, and all that stuff that you may need while you're out there. So that's our safety kit. We also do have a CO2 sensor right behind this seat, just in case there is any CO2 warnings in here. You'll hear that go off. So that's it. Thanks.